Okay, never a dull moment with my husband. So he buried the tractor and over, who knows, inches, 12 inches in mud. So we're gonna go try and get the tractor out of the mud. So our adventure begins. We are going to find the buried tractor. Alright.
Find the buried tractor? I know where the tractor is. You don't have to find it. It's kind of hard to miss.
It's not going
It's a
in.
big orange thing in the middle of a mud hole.
Alright. This is a 2-track, and we're a little wider than a 2-track.
Yeah, well, I didn't have a chance to mow this.
Why would that be, honey?
Big puddle got in my way.
Oh, just jumped out in front of you, huh?
It did just jump out in front of me. Hard to see those puddles when you're in 2 feet, 3 feet deep of weeds.
Oh,
This could scratch my truck all up.
oh yeah. Alright. Looking for the buried tractor.
Get back.
No, I didn't say buried treasure. I said buried tractor. Giving you a grand tour of our property.
Yeah, hopefully the bridge holds me.
Okay, here we come to the bridge.
Held the tractor, so I shouldn't have any problem.
Okay.
Put your seatbelt on.
Oh, put a seatbelt on. Okay.
If you want to listen to that dinging the whole time.
Oh, there's a little dinging next to me too, to my left. Okay. Teeny little. And up. Okay.
Get back.
Oh, first glimpse. Here we go.
I'm gonna have to turn
There it
around,
is.
Turn around.
Do you see where it is? Okay.
Okay. Survey the problem here. My genius husband. Okay. Not too bad where I'm standing, but suddenly we come up to here and we see, yeah, tires pretty buried. He's not going anywhere. So here's the man figuring it all out. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, Mike?
I don't think I can get up here with the truck. It's just gonna be all kind of damp.
All right. Step 1. Get this little thing moved out of the way. Little big thing. Stay.
I can't see a thing, so you're gonna have to tell me what it's doing.
I'll yell at you. Okay, you're good. Coming in for round 2. This is going to be the hardest part. The most difficult challenge here. He worked at it for a long time yesterday trying to get this out, even put boards underneath, and all they did was sink right into the dirt really deep. Very wet.
Right?
Nope.
I get this started. you're gonna start pulling slowly, and I'm gonna start backing up slowly, and we're gonna see if we can move it. One thing you cannot do is dig a hole here, because if this gets stuck, we're screwed. So
Well, you holler.
you're gonna have to drive with the door open and watch your tires, and I'll watch them as best I can. We have to holler back and forth at each other. So
drive?
make sure, yep, it's all ready to go. Make sure your radio's off so you can hear me.
Yep. I'm gonna. Raza, I want you in. Up.
She's gonna stick her head out.
I just need to hear you.
Stop! Well, that went a lot easier than I thought it was going to.